Hi everyone, you're watching Ali Reviews tutorial series. Today, let's learn how to use our smart filters to only get the reviews which match your needs. Click on the Import tab, there will be an option to open the import settings. First, import settings for AliExpress reviews. Set the date range of the reviews. As default, we set to exclude the last 7-day reviews. Change the reviews quantity per import. Set the percentage of positive rating and negative rating. If you want to have all good reviews, please make sure you choose 100% on positive rating option. Set the content option, photo option and the keyword list. Since we use the translation from AliExpress, you should recheck the reviews content before have them published. Change the reviewer filter settings. You can choose to auto-publish the reviews, but we recommend you should check all the reviews by yourself before publishing them. Let's move to the import settings for the sample reviews feature. There are 3 settings for this feature: change the review quantity, rating option and reviewer gender. All done, please remember to save the settings.